Welcome to CT Agricultural Machinery. Witness the most dangerous moments of tree cutting with chainsaws. From shocking fails to incredible skills, this video takes you into the world of daring loggers and massive heavy equipment machines. Oh no, that branch fell the wrong way, landing right on the crane. Luckily, no one got hurt, but that was way too close.
Are you good?
Ladders and chainsaws don't mix. Seriously, don't try this. Oh my gosh! That massive tree crashing into the house like that must have been terrifying. I hope no one was inside at the time. That's insane. The heavy-duty tree cutter sliced through the broken tree like butter, but somehow the stump just popped right back into place like nothing ever happened.
Holy shit!
Tree cutting gone wrong. Dude nearly gets launched off the tree.
Holy shit! Almost. I wonder if he hit the garage. He's alive.
Cutting down trees without the right knowledge is seriously dangerous. One small mistake and things can go south real fast. Cutting down a tree without proper safety prep is crazy dangerous. One wrong move and things can go really bad, really fast. Totally unexpected and intense. Everything happened so fast, definitely a heart-stopping moment. It could have been way worse. Let's stay safe and be extra careful. plenty of ways to take down a big tree safely, but you've got to have the right technique to avoid mistakes. One small slip-up could lead to serious trouble. Watching those tree-cutting moments in the forest is nerve-wracking. Those massive trees crashing down into the valley make the ground feel like it's shaking. Have you ever seen someone cutting down a tree on the water? It's seriously cool, risky, but takes some real skill. Tree cutting comes with so many unpredictable risks. One wrong move, and an accident can happen in an instant. Always stay cautious and plan for safety. Things can turn dangerous in a split second. Sometimes, besides skill, you need a bit of luck to get out safely. No way, did that just happen? Have you ever seen someone cutting down a burning tree? It's crazy and fascinating at the same time. Super dangerous, but definitely a rare sight. Removing a rotted tree. You can tell a lot about a tree's condition from the outside, but once you see the inside of the trunk, the tree industry is a risky business. In this situation, if he hadn't moved, things could have ended very differently. How did it land like that? Dude's cutting trees like Spider-Man.
Perfect.
The driver was completely stunned when he saw his car parked right where the tree fell, crushing the front end. Talk about bad luck. Unlucky as heck, the tree fell right onto the small house. No one could have seen that coming. Have you ever seen tree cutting like this? Let's check it out and see what's interesting. Even if you plan the tree's fall, there are still things you can't control. And if luck's not on your side, it could end up damaging your house.
Il penche vachement. Allez, voilà. Voilà.
Planned to cut just one tree, but ended up bringing down two. Well, guess that saves some effort. Oh man! Luckily, man. The car failed. The tree came crashing straight into the house, turning everything into a total mess. That's terrifying. Tree cutting fail. Dude almost goes flying off the tree.
Wonder if he hit the garage. He's a
Tree pulled down with a trusty Ford. Now that's some real power. Ouch.
Holy
Looks
shit,
like there's some serious tension there.
holy shit, hey shit.
What a complete disaster. Cutting down a tree without a plan, and boom, it crashes straight into the house. That was bound to go wrong. Oh no! What on earth? One hit and it turned into a pile of rubble in seconds. Felling a tree might look simple, but even the smallest mistake can have serious consequences. Proper planning is key. Knowing where the tree will fall, checking the surroundings, and using the right equipment can make all the difference. A single moment of carelessness could cause massive damage, or worse, put lives in danger. So always take your time, follow the right techniques, and never underestimate the raw power of nature.